We'll just rewrite the first parentheses. We have v to the third, which again means 1v to the third. We have the 6v to the second. And then we have the negative v, which let's write the negative 1v for now. We wouldn't write that in our final answer. The second one, remember, we're going to change everything in the parentheses here to the opposite because we're subtracting. So we'll make it negative 9v to the third, which we'll put under our other v to the thirds. We'll make it plus 7v squared because it would be minus negative 7v squared plus 7v squared. And then it will become negative 3v. And we have it in standard form. We already have our highest exponents first. So let's see, 1 minus 9 is negative 8 for the v to the thirds. We have 6 plus 7, and 6 plus 7 is 13, v squared. Negative 1 and negative 3 will give us negative 4 for the v's. Cool, that wasn't too bad. I'll go over there. All right, so we'll keep our first one, 30 d to the third, negative 29d squared, and negative 3d. We'll put this in our correct column here. So remember, we're changing everything after that minus. So negative 2d to the third, we'll put with our other d to the thirds. And it'll be negative d to the second, or negative 1 d to the second. We don't have just any regular d or regular numbers there. So the d to the thirds, we have 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2, that's 28. Okay, all right, yeah. We got negative 29d squared minus 1d squared. That'd be negative 30, right? Negative 30 d squared. And then we'll go ahead and just bring down our negative 3d. Great, in standard form. All right. Now we're just kind of practicing them. So find the degree. Degrees, remember, it's the variables, the letters, and all the exponents. So 4x is really 4x to the first power, so it's to the first degree. 7c to the third power would be to the third power, third degree. Negative 16 doesn't have any letters, so it's to the 0th degree, which looks like an eyeball. We've got 6y squared, w to the 8th, so we have 2 plus the 8, that would be to the 10th degree. 8ab to the third, people will see the 3, they'll be like, third degree. But don't forget about the a to the first power, so really this is to the 4th degree. 6, there's no letters. Negative 9x to the 4th degree. 11, no letters. Cool. We're going to add these together. Let me see how much time I got left on this video. All right, we can add these ones together. Let's stack them in the appropriate columns. So we have 1, if I can write, what's going on here? All right, 1a squared plus 1a plus 1. If I stack the other one underneath it, we have 5a squared. We have negative 8a, and we have plus 20. So now we can just go straight down with it. 1a squared plus 5a squared would be 6a squared. 1a minus 8a would be negative 7a. And 1 plus 20 would be 21. We'll stop it there for this vid and continue on the next one. How's that sound?